Lamborghini, a minute of pure motivation. Imagine a time when Lamborghini only meant tractors. Ferruccio Lamborghini, a mechanic turned entrepreneur, changed that forever. He owned a Ferrari, but wasn't satisfied. Faced with a clutch problem, he saw an opportunity instead of a setback. Ferruccio approached Ferrari with a suggestion for improvement. They dismissed him, not knowing who they were dealing with. That dismissal ignited a fire in Ferruccio. He vowed to create a superior car. The Lamborghini automobile dream was born. With relentless passion and innovation, Lamborghini introduced the 350 GTV. A marvel that set the stage for automotive excellence. Each Lamborghini since has been a testament to the power of belief, pushing boundaries, and achieving the impossible. Remember, every time you see a Lamborghini roar past, it's not just a car. It's a victory of vision over rejection.